What's up mga idol? Welcome to the Singing Show TV.
Iba ang talento ng Filipino sa pag-awit, kasama na ang maraming pambihirang artista na gumagawa ng mga pangalan sa Pilipinas at international na sumikat sa mga singing show sa iba't ibang bansa. Panoorin natin at suportahan mga idol, ang mga latest audition sa mga sikat na singing show. Raymond Salgado 24 years old audition at Canada's Got Talent. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng kanyang audition.
Oh, thinking about all the younger years. There is only you and me. You keep coming back for more. Baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, been waiting for so long for something to arrive, for love to come along.
Jaden Miranda audition at The Voice Australia. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng kanyang audition.
I got one foot out the door, my keys, 'cause I gotta leave, yeah, in the back of the cab. Yeah. So, yeah, you're the one I want to only. And if you want, I want to only. And if you want, then girl, you got me. There's something I know I just to get up next to you.
Gia Maris audition at The Voice Norway. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng kanyang audition.
You're broken down and tired. You're living life on merry-go-round. You can find it. No, rise up, rise like the day. Oh, rise up, oh, rise unafraid. Oh, rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times again for you. Times again.
Jason Arcilla audition at The Voice USA. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng kanyang audition.
You golden, you said you want your freedom. Well, who am I? But listen carefully to the sound of loneliness, like a heartbeat. Thunder only happens when it's raining. There's only love.
Kaylee Shimizu audition at The Voice USA. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng kanyang audition.
Once there was a way to get back home, and I will sing a lullaby. God, it's slumber and I will sing a lullaby. A lullaby.
Fiona 15 years old audition at The Voice Kids Germany. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng kanyang audition.
You're broken down and tired of living life on a merry-go-round, and you can find that. I'll rise up, I'll rise like the day. I'll rise up, I'll rise on a fly.
each other. Yeah, we will rise, will rise for you.
Amy Reed's audition at Australian Idol. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng kanyang audition.
Looking out on the morning rain, I used to feel bored and made me feel so tired. Before the day I met you, you make me feel, you make me feel like a natural woman. And I just wanna be close to you. You make me feel so alive. Natural woman.
Joy Escovia's audition at The Voice Germany. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng kanyang audition.
I've been hearing symphonies. Before all I heard was silence. A rhapsody for you and me. Kind of feeling complete. So if you want it true, I just wanna be part of your symphony. Like a love song on the radio. We hold me tight and not let go. I'm sorry if it's so deep. So if you want it true, I just wanna be part of your symphony. Will you hold me tight and not let go?
Sa tingin nyo mga idol, sinong number 1 sa puso nyo? I-comments po natin below.
Salamat sa inyong panonood! Isang like naman dyan! At mag-comment na rin! At huwag niyong kalimutang mag-subscribe, mga idol!